Hi everyone, welcome back to another video with us Congolese dance tutorials. I'm here in the background with Brian and my name is Cece, but also known as Charlie Lee. So get ready for the next video because we're about to start. Let's go! You ready? I am. So today I'm going to teach you a move called VIMBA. Okay, we're going to give you all the information below and stuff, so definitely make sure to click on the links and everything. Right, and VIMBA is almost like, it just basically means like big, bold, like swell up, you know? So yeah, right, I'm about to teach you how it goes. So the move is quite easy. So literally, boom. And like, because I'm kind of small as well, I use my tippy toes to even look larger than I'm meant to, right? And then you're meant to enlarge your shoulders, so like you're bold. And like obviously we like our fashion and stuff, you know, like psychology and everything. So how would you walk? You would walk with like pride and, you know, or vimbi, like with boldness, do you know what I mean? So that's where the shoulders come in. You go like this, you go boom. So you kind of do a little dance, you know, do on the fourth count, boom. Okay? Cool. So I'm just gonna break it down a little bit more, but apart from that, it's very simple. So I'm gonna start my feet first because it's like, if you want to enlarge yourself, make yourself smaller and then go big, if that makes sense. So let's say you bend your knees just a little bit and then you come up, yeah? And let me leave my shoulders alone for a second. So come up, boom, yeah? I use my tippy toes and just go up a little bit. If you're on heels, don't bother, just okay? And then the next move, you add your shoulders, yeah? Because there's three stuff that you use basically. Your legs, your shoulders, and your arms, yeah? And your hands kind of thing. So your shoulders go up to make yourself bold. So they go up. And also, like, you know when we use like when we do moves like my lewa and stuff, we use our shoulders a lot. So make sure you use your shoulders. When I say use it, use it. So you go up, and then what you do with your hands is clench them. Yeah, you're like bold. Be bold, be strong. Okay. So all together it will look like 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! Let's try with the music. I hope you enjoyed this video because I enjoyed it. This move is so fun, so easy, so quick. Hope you feel strong, big and bold, and I will see you in the next video. But before the next video, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and follow us on all social platforms. Love you lots. See you soon.
Mario,